warning and has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Watauga County until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mulberry, 11 miles east of Valley Grande, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peaksville, Pataugaville, Billingsley, Booth, Mulberry, Marbury, Vida Junction, Dawsonville, and New Prospect. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central, South Central, and East Central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.